President Emmerson Mnangagwa spokesperson Charamba, who is also Deputy Chief Secretary, Presidential Communications, Office of the President and Cabinet, is wrong in claiming Parliament can trump a referendum in the current constitutional amendments. Salabina Mashkobran was Charamba badly wrong on the referendum that was subscribed or like on the bill icon. Tipina Mumdan Commission. Charamba got his facts and the law wrong. Checks by the news show. In a wide-ranging interview with state media, Charamba said, in quotes, those who were old enough to participate in follow-up proceedings of 2013 would know that even after the referendum, that outcome of the referendum still needed to be processed through Parliament. What that means is that a referendum does not accept the power of Parliament. It simply provides a popular basis for legislative action. Otherwise, at law, the body which is recognized as responsible for any changes, be they at the level of the primary law or the level of the subsidiary law, is Parliament, right? So really, you can't place the referendum in opposition to Parliament. You can't. You just cannot, because the referendum does not give you a result that writes the Constitution. It is Parliament which is mandated to do so in terms of our law. So really, there should not be any argument at all in respect of that matter, right? Comment. Charamba got his facts and the law wrong. As a matter of fact, now law, the referendum held in 2013 on the Constitution drafted by the Constitution Parliament Select Committee was an expression not of the Constitution but of a political agreement. Global political agreement between ZANU-PF and then two MDC formations, the main one led by Changirai and the other one nominally Professor Adam Tambara and de facto by Professor Wishman Ngube. The 2013 referendum was held under the Referendums Act, Chapter 210, which was promulgated on 11 January 2000 at the behest of the Constitutional Commission, established in 1999, which had come up with a draft constitution for submission for the people in a referendum the following month. Ndomba developments are kuda pangwa ino. Tinokonza nacho Charamba where wachiinterpreta mutemo chizirizo wachiti the parliament ndiyo iri responsible pakudecide nekuita decisions referendum. Pereko message chepetudza fundo imo rudiva nzoro pichitwa ichi. Unzana subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.